Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2021 Mechanical Engineering Paper 2. Question number 33 is daily production capacity of a bearing manufacturing company is 30,000. The daily demand of bearing is 15,000. The holding cost per year of keeping a bearing in the inventory is rupees 20. The setup cost for the production of a batch is rupees 1800. Assuming 300 working days in a year, the economic batch quantity in number of bearing is dash in integer. Okay, let K be the daily production capacity, and the daily production capacity is your 30,000, and R is daily demand, and daily demand is your 15,000. Okay, so the annual demand is 15,000 to 300. Okay, that is 300 are working days in a year. Okay, so this is the annual demand. Okay, this is daily demand, this is annual demand. Okay, now average inventory, let T average inventory time T1. Okay, so T1 the sorry T1 in time T1, the the production is T1 into K. Okay, and the consumption is T1 into R. So the average inventory will be T1 into K minus T1 into R divided by 2. Okay, and let in time T1 the Q quantity is produced. Okay, so then T1 can be written as Q by K. Okay, because this is the production, daily production rate. Okay, so the average inventory will be average inventory in the in the plant will be average inventory will be in the plant will be 1 by 2 Q 1 minus K R by K. Okay, so this is the average inventory to be held, and the inventory cost is, let C1 be the inventory cost, and C1 is your 20 20 rupees. Okay, rupees 20, this is rupees 20. Okay, and this is your holding cost 1 by 2 Q. This is your quantity to be held, and this is your holding cost. Okay, so holding cost per year. Okay, so this will be your holding cost, and setup cost per batch is 1800. Okay, so C1 is your C0 is your setup cost. Okay, that is 1800, and number of time the setup has to be made is annual demand divided by ordering quantity. Okay, so or number of times the setup has to be made is number of orders, or D by Q into C0. Okay, so this is your ordering cost, this is your holding cost. For economic order quantity, both should be equal. Holding cost should be equal to ordering cost. Okay, now we have C0, we have D, we have C1, we have R, we have K. Putting these values, we can find out Q. Q is 40249. Okay. Economic order quantity is 40249. Next, a cast product of a particular material has dimensions 75 mm into 125 mm into 20 mm. The total solidification time for the cast product is found to be 2 minutes, as calculated using Cronich rule, having the index n is equal to 2. If under the identical casting conditions, the cast product shape is changed to a cylindrical having diameter is equal to 50 mm and height is equal to 50 mm, the total solidification time will be dash minutes, round off to 2 resolution. Okay. The solidification time is given by this formula according to Cronich rule. T is equal to C V by A raised to N. Okay, and N here is 2, given as N is 2. Okay, so V is your volume and A is your surface area, C is your time. Okay, volume of casting is 75 into 125 into 20. Okay, and surface area of casting is, there are 6 surfaces. Okay, and surface area of two surfaces is 75 into 120, other two surfaces is 75 into 20, and other two surfaces is 125 into 20. So total surface area will be this. Okay. So and time, solidification time is given as 2 minutes. So we can find out this constant C. Okay. So C comes out as 0.0407. Okay. For the identical condition in the second case, fast product shape is cylindrical. Okay. Now the shape is your cylindrical with high diameter is 15 and height is 15. Okay, and metal is same. So C is same, and so this is your volume of casting. So pi by 4, 50 square into 50, and this is your surface area of casting. 2 into pi by 4, 50 square plus 5 into 50 into 50. Okay, so that is the surface area of side. This is the surface area of two ends of a cylinder. So this is the total surface area, this is the total volume, and we can find out T by putting value. That is 2.83 minutes. Okay. Next, a spot welding operation performed on two pieces of steel yielded a nugget with a diameter of 5 mm and thickness of 1 mm. The welding time was 0.1 second. The melting energy of the steel is 20 joules per mm cube. Assuming the heat conversion efficiency as 10%, the power required for performing the spot welding operation is dash kilowatt. Okay, round up to 2 decimal places. So volume of nugget, diameter of nugget is 5 mm and thickness is 1 mm. Okay, volume of nugget is 5 by 4, 5 square into 1. Okay, and the melting energy of steel, this is melting energy of steel 20 joule per mm cube. So 20 into joule, 20 joule per mm cube. Okay, and this is the heat required per unit volume, and volume is this. Okay, so the total heat required is Q into V. So that is 20 into 5 by 4, 5 square. Okay, now the heat conversion efficiency is 50%. Okay, and the time is your 0.1 second. Okay, so the this is the heat required, and this heat is required in time 1.1 second. So ideally the power required is, ideally or theoretically the power required is heat supplied by time. Okay, that is just 20 into 5 by 4 into 5 square by 0.1. Okay, but the heat conversion efficiency is 0.1. Heat conversion efficiency is 0.1. Okay, so the power required for performing a spot welding operation is this is the theoretical power required divided by efficiency 0.1, that is 39250 watt or 59.25